Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss variations. Number 11. Two quantities P and Q are such that P is partly constant and partly varies as Q. When Q equals to 12, P equals to 9. And when Q equals to negative 20, P equals to negative 7. Express P in terms of Q. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to share the link with friends. Two quantities P and Q such that P is partly constant and partly varies as Q. Therefore, I'm going to write this as a mathematical statement whereby I will say P is partly constant and partly varies as Q. That means we can now change the sign power of inequality and introduce an equal sign and a constant. So we shall have P equals to a constant K and another constant C multiplied by the value of Q. In this case, K and C are constants. Now we can use the conditions given here. When Q is 12, P equals to 9. Therefore, in this equation now we can say 9 is equal to K plus C multiplied by 12. So 12C, this is one equation. And also, when Q equals to negative 20, P is negative 7. So negative 7 is equivalent to K plus Q multiplied by C. So negative 20 by C, negative 20C. Therefore, this is the second in the pair of simultaneous equations. This means now we can solve the two equations simultaneously, and I would prefer using the elimination method because already the coefficients of K are 1. So it means we can do a direct subtraction. That will make K 0. Then 12 minus negative 20 to become a 32. The 9 minus negative 7 will give us 16 at this side. So C will be equivalent to a half, because 16 out of 32 will be 1 out of 2. In this case now that C is known, we can get the value of K using any of the equations. For example, substituting in equation 1, we're going to have 9 equals to K plus 12 multiplied by half. So this is going to be 6. So to remain with K, we'll subtract 6 at this side and we'll get a 3. So the two constants are 3 and 0.5. That means the equation here now connecting P and Q can be now rewritten. P equals to a constant 3 plus C, which is 0.5 multiplied by Q. So this is the equation connecting P and Q. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.